Hello my friends and welcome to another unboxing video. This package just arrived from the post office and I'm quite excited because I know it contains a quite rare OMAS Italian fountain pen. So I have with me my knife, my small knife, and I will try to open this package, and I will start with this part. I hope I can open it nice and smooth because this is what I want. Let's see the other part. I hope I don't cut myself. Okay, now this part over here, this will be a little bit tricky, but I hope that my little knife could do the job. Yes. Okay, so this is the outer package. Okay, let's put it aside, and here I have the box. It's quite well wrapped, but I think I can manage to open it. Yes, and let's see what we have. Lots of wrapping paper, and I will leave this aside. And here it is. It comes in this nice looking box, and and this is the beautiful fountain pen. You can see, let's zoom on it. We have an OMAS Extra brevet number 4458445464162. This is a wonderful example. It is, I believe it is a button filler, but we will see. No, I think it is a piston filler. Yes. So this is the beautiful nib 585 OMAS Extra, and the feed. I believe this is an ink window here, and we have a piston filler. And I said we have a piston filler because this is not a blind cap, so it opens till here. I don't know if the piston filler is functional, but I love this beautiful celluloid material, and I hope you can notice it. It is a gray with some mother of pearl shades, and it is beautiful. Yes, this is an ink window. So guys, I'm excited because I paid a decent price for this OMAS pen, and I paid 365 leis, which translates to approximately 70 euros or 80 American dollars, but you will see the correct monetary or exchange of currencies when I do the review of this beautiful OMAS Extra. So stay tuned guys to my channel, because this unboxing, it will be followed by a review of this beautiful Italian fountain pen. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this unboxing. If you've enjoyed it, please support my activity by subscribing to my channel. As always, I wish you to have a nice day, and see you again at the next episode. Bye bye.